Take me back to the nights we felt alive, picking up the pieces on a summer night. I didn't know that I would feel just like my heart's on fire whenever I'm with you. Cause we go back in time to thrills I missed and all the things I wish we did. All I know is that I need somebody like you. Cause I can't waste another night sitting here alone, hoping for your voice on the telephone. I know it's a supercut as you walk away, playing in my mind all the things I'd never close my eyes. And the sky's on fire. I can't waste another night sitting here alone. We can do it all again, and I'll never let you go. Never gonna let that go. Never gonna let, never let you go. Never gonna let that go. Never let you go.
Take me back to another sunrise, back when all I ever needed was by my side. You're a star brighter than Venus, I'm your satellite whenever I'm with you. Cause we go back in time to thrills I miss and all the things I wish we did. All I know is that I need somebody like you. Cause I can't waste another night sitting here alone, hoping for your voice on the telephone. I know it's a supercut as you walk away, playing in my mind all the things I never close my eyes. And the sky's on fire. I can't waste another night sitting here alone. We can do it all again, and I'll never let you.
Back to the nights we felt alive.
Now, let us prepare for the entrance of the bride. We're here today in the sight of all of you as witnesses to witness the holy matrimony of Michael Tweedy and Michelle Roberts. I'm excited to know and to say that they're a blessed couple, and they've come truly acknowledging everything that they have in love for each other to bring before God in holy state of matrimony. You take this woman that you hold, that will grab her by the right hand, to be your lawful and wedded wife before God and these witnesses present, that you must promise to love her and to honor and to cherish her in this relation, and leaving all others, cleave only unto her, and being to her all things a true and faithful husband, so long as you both shall live. Do you promise?
I do.
Leaving all others and cleaving only unto him, and to be to him in all things a true and faithful wife, so long as you both shall live?
I do.
Look into her eyes and say, with this ring,
With this ring,
I be wed.
I be wed.
You can put it on her finger.
Michael,
With this ring,
with this ring,
I be wed.
I be wed.
You come together in holy matrimony, and there's nothing more sacred and more pure than this. And with that being said, and the families coming together, let us part just a little bit so of the lighting of the Holy Trinity candles. It's two lives merging together as one life, commitment and honor unto God. You can light the candle.
To our son on your wedding day. It's not easy to determine exactly where to start when such a flood of emotions is engulfing your heart. There are so many sentiments that we want to convey as we gaze at you so proudly on your joyous day.
And forgive us our debts as we forgive our debtors. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine.
Michael and Michelle, there's come the time when now the unity is made official. Will you grab hold of the hands of your bride, look her in the eyes, I now pronounce you, Michael and Michelle, husband and wife. You may now salute your bride. Will you please stand as I present to you and the whole world under the sight of God and all these witnesses, Mr. and Mrs. Michael and Michelle Tweedy.